Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video here on how I set up my LinkedIn outreach campaigns. I've never done a video on LinkedIn outreach, but it's highly effective. But I've mainly done it very manually before and haven't actually done any outbound, you can say. I've mainly done inbound, meaning I'm scraping people who like my posts and contact people who engage with my posts, but not necessarily outbound. That's going to change now. I've ran a few campaigns and they've been fairly successful. And now I'm going to show you how I set it up. So this is going to be a personalized video outreach campaign, and that's one of the things I like about LinkedIn is that you can add links to your messages without having to worry about, deliverability and all of that. Once you're in the inbox, you're in the inbox essentially. The angle for today's campaign is this. So this post right here was uploaded about 1 week ago. And it's a guy talking about how you can create personalized landing pages and combine that with auto-generated personalized videos with Sandspark Clay and, personalized landing pages. It's very limited with the customization you can do, but this post absolutely blew up. 657 comments of people who wanted this. And when I saw this post, I knew we were going to launch VINNA V2. And if you haven't been seeing that, VINNA V2 essentially does exactly this. So you can literally create customized landing pages. So just an example here, I can select this template here, but if I don't like this, I can add this here, and then I can maybe add, this here, and I can add, you can go as in-depth as you want, and okay, right, this is a horrible page now, but you get the idea. So you can customize the entire landing page, and this post was about that, and obviously now we have a much more sophisticated solution for this, and that's why reaching out to these people, they literally want what we sell. So that's what I'm gonna do. So what I did is I opened up Phantom Buster. I have a link to this in the description. They have a cool Black Friday sale now, where I just put in this profile or LinkedIn post URL and scraped every single one who commented, including the competitor, so the team at Sandspark. So they'll probably receive this because honestly, I can't be bothered to filter out my list. I'm just gonna blast it out. So they'll probably receive it. Yeah. Nonetheless, back to VINNA. So the angle here is essentially this message right here. I've set it up in HeyReach, uploaded leads and everything. So this is going to be the angle here. Hey, first name, you requested a resource 1 week ago about attaching Sandspark videos to a custom landing page. We do what Sandspark does, but we have an Elementor-like landing page builder. Here is an example. And then obviously here we will have the video example. I typically use the video to pitch prospects and the landing page for to showcase reviews, case studies, etc. Right, there we have it. Very simple copy. So now what we're gonna do, we obviously need to generate this video here. So what I've done now is that I have built this landing page right here. First name, this video explains how to combine auto-generated personalized videos with custom landing pages, just like our pricing here. And now obviously we need this video here. I've already recorded the video because, so what we're gonna do now is simply upload those videos. So I'm going to take this, where do we have it? Can it be like this one? Yeah, that one, upload it. There we go. And now let's take the next video here. Now let's take VINNA, YouTube, and then here we have it here, open it. And now we're gonna upload this video as well. So essentially what I'm uploading now is the personalized introduction that will be displayed when I'm scrolling on these prospects' websites. And then the pitch video, which will be displayed after the introduction. That will make more sense in a minute. So now I have the videos here, and now it's time to create the campaign essentially. So we're gonna hit create campaign and choose audience. And now I've uploaded the audience already, so this one right here. Now we need to select the landing page, and here we have it. And now we need to complete the variable mapping. So this is just the only variable I used on the website was first name. So now I'm going to do that, first name. Then campaign name, we can just do Sandspark landing page, done. And now we just simply create a video project, and we're going to call this version 1.0. And now we'll just go through this. We're going to customize this code right here, GG2. Hopefully that's available. Perfect. Create it. And now we need sort of the website column. So this is the background that will be recorded. And now we're going to upload the Loom style video, which is essentially the video that will be displayed on top of us scrolling on the LinkedIn. So we're going to open this one right here. Next. Now we're going to select the second video we want. So this one right here, preview video. And now we're just going to type here, watch this. We're just going to call it a better way. a better way. First name, select leads, and now we have here is all of this right here. So what we're gonna do now is just select all leads and hit generate. And now this will process in the background. Just gonna wait for the confirmation here. Perfect. So now all of these 285 videos are generating, and they should go fairly quickly. And while that is generating, I thought I'd use the opportunity to pitch you here. What the software you see me using here with the personalized videos, it's my software. It's called VINNA AI. It lets you create personalized videos and landing pages at scale. And we just launched our 2.0, and to celebrate that, we have a Black Friday deal. So until Sunday this week, you have 40% off on all plans. So if you want to give this a try, this is your opportunity. And I mean, 40% off, that's like 100 something bucks. And for that, you get 40,000 of these personalized videos and landing pages. Absolutely crazy. If you blast out 40,000 and you don't sign a $10,000 client, I don't know what I would do. I was about to say something inappropriate there, but I've learned that the algorithm doesn't favor my language, so I'll avoid. Alright, so now we can see like some of the videos are done here. So if we click on this one now, for example, this is what the video will look like, right? So it's me like in the beginning here, scrolling on his website. And then as I mentioned, like before with the second video, it starts playing about here. And here is like the value video. So there are two videos here combined, and it's obviously like Thomas there. Then we have the landing page, looks absolutely stunning. And now if I were to add this to an email, and I can just show you, like if I go out here now, you'll see that the videos here should be, yeah, it just continues to processing here. So if I add this to an email, how that would look is I'm going to copy this right now, go to LinkedIn, and then what I'll do is right here, perfect. So if I put this link in here now, right, and we can remove the preview, send it. This is what it will look like in an email. 1 second here, right here. A better way, Brittany. They click on it, like, oh, that's interesting. And then they land on this landing page here, and then it's me pitching here. And the best part like about this is that as soon as they click and watch the video, then I can track it here in analytics. So if I just do like, if I do this one right here, for example, and take last 60 days, you'll see here, opened 1, page visit 1, total video plays 1. And if I click like here now obviously this just leads me to the same page because I haven't added a call to action button. I forgot that, but it doesn't matter, right? I can click up here. You get the idea. Anyway, back to sort of here. Now, if I update this, you'll see that last 90 days, right? But there you go. And then you can see who opened it. So now what we're going to do is add this to our outreach campaign here in HeyReach. And the way we do that, the simplest way, in my opinion at least, is to, we just gonna take this link here because the link is the same except the end here. And that is just a custom variable. That's a identifier. So what we're going to do is go in here and then just like here is an example. Then we're going to put this link here. But at the very end, we're going to remove this. Just this here and replace that with first name. And right afterwards, last name. There we go. So last name, and now I probably just have to copy that and put it right behind this one right there. And there we go. So now we have, hey, first name, you requested a resource 1 week ago at blah, 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 blah. We do what SenseSpark does, but we have Elementor style, like landing page builder. And now we're going to take this, and then we're just going to have the fallback. And then here, we're going to have this. We do Sense, boom. Can I send over an example? Done. Now we're gonna do, so now we have it, send message. And by the way, I do not have any other thing here, like send connection request. I just send the message. If they reply, they don't. And then we're gonna end it right here. Right, continue. And now we can launch this campaign, but it should be out of my sending schedule. So yeah, that's nonetheless it. That's how I created it. So if you want to sign up for VINNA, and I'll get back to you with the results of this campaign as well, then I'll leave a link below this and make sure to grab the 40% off. And yeah, cheers.